We are pleased to show you the 2023 Silverado MD. The Chevy Silverado MD provides all the necessary functionality and power that you'll need for your medium-duty needs. Better yet, customize it to make it work perfectly for you. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, dual rear wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, speed control, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.